So this is the first job opening that we have, which is for the role of pen tester, right? And Cyber Guardian, a company which is looking for web API network and cloud pen testers, and they want at least OSCP certifications. Okay, so if you have OSCP certifications, then only apply for this job role. And they want you to have knowledge of ISO, which is 27001, and SOCL2 knowledge, which required, I guess, minimum of 2 years of experience. So they want you to at least have a experience more than 20 plus projects, right? And knowledge of sales as well. So that's the requirement. If you feel like you're comfortable with this job role, then apply at ansul@cyberguardians.in, right? This is next job opening, which is for the L1 freshers, right? Which is in SOC. It's a Abu Dhabi based job, right? So they are going to pay you a lot if you get selected. They want minimum of 2 years of experience, right? Which we are going to consider for the freshers itself. SOC, okay, IS knowledge is important. Okay, 24/7 shift is where you need to work. This is a mail ID, bindurani@cybergate.tech. So from last, I guess, 1 to 2 month, right? They are looking for a lot of position in Abu Dhabi. So if you feel like you can join this role, then you're welcome, right? And let's see if you got selected. Just let me know in the comment box. Next one is Cybernet. They are hiring for a expert in cybersecurity, network and coding. They want you to work in, again, Arab, and Arabic language is important, right? You should have to be familiar with the speaking Arabic language, right? And this is the mail ID, info@cybernet.ae. Next one, cybersecurity analyst. They want immediate joiners, which is in Gurgaon, right? So if you have notice period of 15 days, then only apply. And this one minimum 1 year of experience, right? They want you to work as a VAPT, red teaming, web exploitation, pen testers, and exploit development as well, which is pretty required development skills, right? There are a couple of key responsibilities which is required, and there are a couple of main responsibilities like OWASP top 10, red teaming knowledge, reverse engineering, exploit development, web and mobile security. All those knowledge is required, right? And this is the couple of things that you need to mention in your resume, mail, right? Current CTC, whatever you are getting, expected, and how many years of experience do you have. This is a mail ID at the bottom. Okay, and just put cyber security analyst as a role and then apply it. Right? Now, next one, which want you to work in Mumbai, Hyderabad, hybrid based job, 4 plus years of experience required, right? And they want you to work as a resident engineer. And there are a couple of requirement, which is PCNSC certification in mandatory, and couple of more things, which is more into networking job, right? And this is the mail ID, kavita.pathak@trendtonics.com, right? Next one, yeah, that's all today. If you have any questions, please ask. And